Cloud.
Hey, what's going on? He's recording.
Act natural.
Now I'm eating
ZALIA. Bro, I walked past them. I walked past 1 and 2. They were just sitting down there. What's up, bro? Hey, what's up? Hi. I'm just like. Do you have anything you want to say?
Follow me. And imagine my app.
Boss?
Oh, sorry.
Something from Foot Locker. I was like this. I was like, yes sir, yes sir.
We have them. Do you remember?
You just blew on me.
Y'all are making me say.
Anna,
Walk around like this.
Aliana, do something cool.
Don't get me. Do you remember? Do you remember? Hold up. Crop that. Ready?
Okay. Alright. Guys, what are we doing now? We're going to an escape room, right?
Oh shit, we're actually gonna do it.
Are we actually gonna do it?
Or do you guys want to do escape room when Paul comes?
Do you wanna go see my friend?
Yeah, sure,
Anthony.
let's go see your friend.
Is Anthony working today? Anthony, bro.
Hey.
Where's Anthony? Look, I don't know.
Why don't you like this?
I don't know.
Why don't you like this? And if you like this.
Alright, guys, it's my first escape room.
Anna has nice. She's trying to say that I have nice.
Yeah, you can add.
You know, you can push them in.
Other boys that look
Stop.
Are we actually doing so good now?
at Lawrence. I want to wait for Paul.
Yeah, but then I'm William looks good with them too. I was kidding. Everyone looks good with earrings.
Alright, what's up? What's up? No gang signs.
Huh?
No gang signs.
Yeah.
So why should the people follow you?
I don't know. Follow Josh because he's a pretty good YouTuber. This guy's henos better hit. I'm Dylan Fernandez. Give me your shit. Oh. Okay, I'm sorry.
Alright, but I'm buying her human races. Yeah, I know, but you're still short. Do you like them?
Huh?
Do you like them?
Yeah? What?
Yeah, I'm buying them.
What? No. I don't like them. I don't like them. I don't wear pink.
Alright, wait. Let's go to the go to the women's section. Close your eyes, and then we're gonna do the buy anything that you can see. Go. What's up, bro? Alright, but you can buy the pink ones. The pink version of yours. Can you see that? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it?
Huh?
Sneaker shopping with ZALIA.
I don't know anything about shoes.
Do I just? These are Edge on ones.
I don't know.
Or you can get these floral thingies.
I was looking for a headband, bro.
Even Bulldog.
No, I'm looking for a headband. 9 and the bone bags.
Hi, good morning. Welcome to another video. Now, bit of a complication with what's my hair? I was wearing a hat for like the whole day. I don't usually wear hats, but anyway, slight complication. I left the little hard drive that holds all of my content. I was gonna just spend the whole day just editing, but now all of my content just kind of gone because I don't have the hard drive with me. I left it at someone else's house, so that really does suck. Because you want to see what I see right now? Yeah, I just see tons of media offlines because I don't have any content. I was editing. This was the music video. I needed to edit the music video by Thursday. It's now Sunday and I haven't even done anything. Wait, see, no guidance. Chris Brown music video. Like, I know that I don't really complain, but I'm not complaining now. I'm just kind of disappointed in myself. I don't really know why I could have left something so valuable. But yeah, I do have content from yesterday where I went and vlogged yesterday. I have it stored into this camera so I can at least access this, and I think I do have some music video footage in this camera, in this SD card, so at least I can do some sort of editing. So yeah, a bit of a bummer, but I'm sure we'll survive, and at least I can do some work when it comes to the music video. So yeah, whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. This vlog you're watching right now is was the only bit of content I could salvage. This was vlogs from yesterday, so at least it's some sort of content that's being put out. But I guess I'm gonna have to be working night and day to bring this music video by Thursday. I should probably extend this out, sorry, I'm lazy. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe if you've enjoyed. I really can we hit 1,000 subs by the end of this year? I don't know, maybe we can, because I am uploading a lot. Maybe that'll entice people to subscribe. But please, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. More of these vlogs coming soon if you enjoyed these. But go follow my friends down below. I'll leave some descriptions if they weren't on screen. And yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to make do with what I have in this SD card over here. I'm so mad. I'm so mad. I know I'm not gonna complain, but I'm not gonna complain. It's okay. Peace. Just Salvador out, I suppose.